Hi everybody, this is TESDA NCII-CSS guide server configuration. So, set up the IP address, go to control panel, network and sharing center, then manage network connections, right click, then properties, then disable the IPv6, then properties and IPv4, then use the following IP address. Just type the IP address 192.168.100.2. Then the subnet mask, then the preferred DNS server 192.168.100.3. Then the alternate is 192.168.100.1. Advanced sharing, this type of address, then OK. Then let's set up user configuration. Right click on computer, then properties. Go to change settings. Computer description. Change the computer name to server, then the work group name is work group. TESDA. TESDA is the work group name. Then restart the computer. Then the Windows server is going to shut down. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD, then the OS server. The next is install Active Directory Domain Services. Use the command prompt. Just type dc promo, then enter. Checking if Active Directory Domain Services binaries are installed. Just wait for the loading. Waiting for all snap-ins to complete. Just loading. The Active Directory Domain Services are waiting to install. Then check the Use Advanced mode installation, then next, then create a new domain in a new forest, then next. Then the root domain is tesda.com. It's up to you what you would like to, what is your domain? Checking whether the new forest name is already in use. Loading. Then the domain net bias name is TESDA. Then next. Then choose the Windows Server 2008 as forest functional level. Then next. Examining DNS configuration. So next, make sure that the DNS server has a check. Then yes. So skip the step. This next, then create the password. Just type a password. Okay. Then next. Don't forget to check the reboot on completion. Then the next is install DHCP and add rules. Skip this page by default. Then console wizard, back to rules, check the add rules, pick the DHCP server, file services, and then print services. Then next. This is the IP address. Next. Don't forget, always validate. WINS is not required for application on this network. Then next. Disable DHCP v6 stateless mode for this server. Next. This is the current credentials. Next. Then install. Just wait the installation. So the installation succeeded. The next is make a group policy management, and the features, choose the domain name, right click, then create a GPO, type your name, TESDA, then OK. Right click on the domain name TESDA, then uncheck link enabled. Then OK. Next is refresh the server manager, then go back to the server manager. Next is create DHCP or IP scope. go to Active Directory Domain Services, then right click on IPv4, then New Scope, then Next. Type the name of the scope. Our scope name is TESDA, then description is TESDA, then Next. Then enter the IP addresses for the range. The start IP addresses is 2, then end in 5. It is an example. Just retype the IP addresses. Then next. Yes, I want to configure these options now. Then skip, next, then yes, then finish. Next is, always remember that the scope is active. Then the next is, go to roles, just create the user, go to Active Directory Users and Computers. Click, then right click on the user, the domain name, then new, then user. In the user, type the user information. The name of user information is Anne, then the last name is Gonzalez. Just type the user login name, TESDA, then next. The domain name is TESDA.com. Then the password. Check the user must change password at next login. Here is the login name, then finish. The next is turn on the network discovery, the file sharing and public folder sharing. Then apply. Go to Windows Firewall. Just turn off. Then apply, then OK. Go to the folder you want to share. Go to sharing. Then copy the network path. Then back to group policy. On the desktop, just properties, just basic. Then paste the root path. Then apply. Then yes. Okay. The features in the domain side.